Software Spring. Presents. How to create a simple balance sheet in Google Sheets. Hi folks, greetings. Welcome to this tutorial, which gives the steps to create a simple balance sheet. Please subscribe to this channel, if you have not already done so. Thank you very much. Alright, let's begin with a quick intro to a balance sheet. A balance sheet gives an insight into the financial health of a company at a specific point of the time frame. A balance sheet is typically created at the end of the financial year. The balance sheet equation that balances a balance sheet is assets is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. Moving forward, here is one method to create a simple balance sheet. First, type a caption for the balance sheet. Next, type the main headings and their corresponding entries. Create a ledger for each of the entries of the main headings. Here are the ledgers I have already created. To create a ledger, click the plus symbol. To rename the ledger, click the down arrow and select Rename. Type the name and press Enter. To delete this ledger, first, click the down arrow again. Click Delete, and click OK. Alright, these numbers are the closing balances extracted from the relevant ledgers through a formula. For example, let's look at the cash ledger. This closing balance is input to the cell corresponding to cash in the balance sheet. Let me go back to the balance sheet to see the formula. This is the formula that extracts data from the cash ledger. I will scroll through the other entries to view their corresponding formulas. The sum of the current assets and non-current assets is calculated using the sum function formula. Let me delete these entries and demo the steps to extract the closing balances. To quickly access a ledger, if it is not visible, click All Sheets and select the required ledger. Alright, let me go back to the balance sheet again. OK, first, type the equal to symbol. Click the Cash Ledger tab. Click this cell, and press Enter. OK, using the same steps, let me retrieve the data for accounts receivable and inventory from their respective ledgers. Moving forward, let's use the sum function and calculate the total assets. Repeat the steps for all the other entries. Make sure that assets is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. Summary. A balance sheet can help to assess the financial health of the company at a specific point of the time frame. The balance sheet equation is assets is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. That's it, folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.